Like a lot of people, I'm working from home these days. I'm a VP of production at a marketing agency, and we don't have plans to go back to the fall. Our office is amazing, open concept, communal high-top tables, and flexibility to move around. I miss it, but enjoying the work from home routine. Not being able to bring my shared office stuff home, I was in the basement at an old Ikea desk and chair. Not overly comfortable, but it worked. I then moved upstairs and the weather changed and worked from my dining room table with a chair on top as a stand-up option. I found out about Envirotech and researched their amazing options. My choice was a compact adjustable desk, allowing me to stand up or sit down effortlessly. Envirotech work from home products are amazing. Great service, safe delivery, easy setup, and a very premium product.